Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Print Lab Chronicles. After helping you navigate the exciting world of 3D printers and demystifying filaments, it's time to talk about something equally crucial for a smooth and enjoyable 3D printing journey: accessories. You see, having a great 3D printer is like having a powerful car, but without the right tools like a good wrench, a tire pressure gauge, or even a proper cleaning kit, you might find yourself stranded and struggling with basic maintenance. The same goes for 3D printing. While your printer does the heavy lifting, certain accessories are absolutely vital. They are the unsung heroes that can transform a frustrating beginner experience into a rewarding one, drastically improving your print quality and helping you troubleshoot those common head scratching issues. In this video, we are going to demystify these essential tools. We'll explore what they are, why you need them, and how they will become your best friends in the world of FDM 3D printing. These aren't just nice to haves, they are fundamental additions that will save you time, filament, and a lot of headaches. Don't forget, you can find timestamps in the description below to jump to specific topics. So, let's dive in. Let's break down the must have tools into categories, focusing on how each one contributes to better prints and a smoother workflow. First up, build plate adhesion solutions. This is arguably the most critical area for beginners. Your first layer is the foundation of your print. If it fails, the whole print fails. Glue sticks. My personal go to for most PLA prints is a simple PVA based glue stick, like a school glue stick. You can apply a thin, even layer to your build plate before printing. It creates a temporary adhesive surface that grips the plastic during printing and then releases easily once the plate cools down. It's cheap, effective, and cleans up with water. Blue painter's tape. For specific filament types or if your build surface isn't ideal, blue painter's tape can work wonders. You lay strips neatly across your build plate. It provides a textured surface that plastic can grip onto, and it's especially good for materials that don't like to stick to smooth glass directly. PEI sheets and textured plates. Many modern printers come with PEI sheets, or you can buy them as upgrades. These can be smooth or textured. PEI or polyetheramide offers fantastic adhesion when heated, and then as the sheet cools, the print often just pops right off with minimal effort. Look for 3D textured plates for specific surface finishes on your prints. It's a game changer for convenience. Liquid adhesives or sprays. For some challenging filaments like ABS or PETG, or if you are printing very large objects, stronger liquid adhesives or specialized nanopolymer adhesives can provide the extra grip you need. Just spray a light, even coat and let it dry before printing. Once the print is done and the bed has cooled, you need to get it off safely. This brings us to print removal tools. Spatulas and scrapers. You will want a couple of these: a flexible metal spatula for delicate separation, and a stiffer scraper for more stubborn prints. The trick is to get under the edge of your print and gently pry it up, working your way around. Always be careful not to scratch your build plate or yourself. Flexible build plates. These are, in my opinion, one of the best quality of life upgrades. Instead of scraping, you simply remove the flexible plate from your printer, give it a gentle bend, and pop, the print detaches. It's incredibly satisfying and reduces the risk of damaging your prints or your printer. Precision is key in 3D printing. This is where measurement and calibration tools comes in handy. Digital calipers. These are indispensable. You'll use them constantly to verify filament diameter, measure your printed part to ensure accuracy, or even help in calibrating your E-steps, which is how much filament your printer extrudes. A good set of digital calipers will pay for itself many times over. Feeler gauges. This is outdated as most printers now auto level themselves. When it comes to bed leveling, especially manual leveling, feeler gauges are far more accurate than just using a piece of paper. They allow you to set the perfect nozzle to bed distance, ensuring consistent first layer squish across your entire build plate. Small ruler or tape measure. For quick checks and general project planning, a simple ruler or tape measure is always useful to have nearby. Maintaining your printer is essential for consistent results and longevity. So, let's talk about cleaning and maintenance tools. Deburring tool. For those inevitable wisps and rough edges on your prints, a simple deburring tool becomes indispensable. With a quick pass, it smoothly removes stringing and clean up holes, giving your finished print that professional polished look. Brass brush. A small brass brush is perfect for cleaning any residual filament or burnt plastic off your hot nozzle. Do this carefully when the nozzle is hot, but not too hot, typically around 180 to 200 degrees Celsius for safety and effectiveness. Needle nose pliers and flush cutters. These are your go to for trimming filament ends, removing stubborn supports from your prints, and handling small delicate parts. Flush cutters, in particular, give a very clean cut for filaments. Nozzle cleaning needle or drill bits. If you experience a partial clog, these tiny needles or drill bits can be inserted into the nozzle to clear the obstruction. They are lifesaver for getting your flow back to normal. Compressed air. Great for dusting out the nooks and crannies of your printer, especially around the fans and electronics. Just make sure to use short bursts. Maintenance supply kits. Many manufacturers or third party vendors offer complete maintenance supply kits that bundle common tools, spare parts, and cleaning items. These can be very convenient. Different sized nozzles. Having a variety of nozzle sizes like 0.2 mm for fine details, 0.6 mm for faster and stronger prints is invaluable. You will want to learn how to swap these out safely. Finally, a very important accessory that ties back to our last video on filaments. Filament storage solutions. Filament dry boxes or dehumidifiers. Remember how we talked about moisture affecting filaments like PETG, nylon, and TPU? These materials are hygroscopic, meaning they absorb moisture from the air. A filament dry box, often heated, keeps your filament at an optimal humidity level, preventing common issues like stringing, bubbling, and weak, brittle prints. This is a must have for consistent quality with moisture sensitive materials. You can also use dedicated filament dryers. Desiccant packs or orange desiccants. To enhance drying, always include desiccant packets or reusable orange desiccants that change color when saturated. Do not use the reusable blue desiccants. Acid free activated charcoal. If you are planning on using bento box or additional activated charcoal paste, air purifier, you would like to stock these too. Make sure to use acid free only to avoid rusting of your printer. Vacuum seal bags or cereal food storage boxes. For more budget friendly or DIY options, storing your filaments in vacuum sealed bags with desiccant or even clean cereal food storage boxes can help prevent moisture absorption. Temperature or humidity sensor with display. A small, inexpensive temperature and humidity sensor with a display is perfect for monitoring the conditions inside your filament storage solutions, giving you peace of mind. Swatches for filament types. Keeping small printed swatches of your filament types is great way to remember colors, finishes, and even specific print settings for future reference. You can even purchase these from filament manufacturers. As you progress in your 3D printing journey, you might also consider accessories that enhance specific projects or printer performance. Hot ends and extruder gears, hardened steel upgrades. If you plan to print with abrasive filaments like carbon fiber filled or glow in the dark materials, upgrading to hardened steel hot ends and extruder gears is a wise investment to prevent wear and tear. Magnets, M2 screws, taps, brass inserts, 608 ball bearings. These are common hardware components used for creating functional prints, building enclosures, or upgrading parts of your printer. For example, brass inserts allow you to create strong, threaded holes in your 3D prints, while 608 ball bearings are essential for many moving parts in custom builds. M2, M3 screws and taps are for general assembly and creating threaded holes. Anti vibration feet. These can significantly reduce noise and improve print quality, especially on taller prints, by dampening vibrations from your printer. Wise camera or similar for time lapse. For those who love sharing their prints, a simple Wi Fi camera like Wise Cam, GoPro, or DSLR can be set up to capture captivating 3D printing time lapse videos. There are many models available to attach these to your printer. Printer specific supply kits. Brands like Bamboo offer maker supply kits or unique cyber brick that are tailored to STEM learning. If you enjoy building such projects or have kids at home, these kits promise a great value for money. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the essential accessories that will transform your FDM 3D printing experience. From ensuring perfect first layers with adhesion aids and precise leveling tools to maintaining your printers with cleaning kits and protecting your filaments with dry storage solutions, each of these items plays a crucial role. A quick but important note: while this list might seem extensive, you don't need everything from day one. Start with the basics we covered in the first part of this video. As you embark on specific projects or plan initial printer upgrades, then consider adding these more specialized accessories. Plan your purchases based on your actual needs and goals rather than buying everything at once. Investing in these accessories isn't just about spending more money, it's about investing in a smoother, more successful, and far less frustrating journey into the world of 3D printing. They allow you to unlock your printer's full potential and turn those frustrating failures into consistent, high quality creations. I hope this guide helps you build out your ultimate beginner toolkit. What are your favorite essential accessories that you can't live without? Or perhaps you have a beginner issue you overcame thanks to a specific tool. Let me know in the comments below. In our next video, we'll be diving into the heart of preparing your models for printing, Slicer software. You won't want to miss that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Print Lab Chronicles for more 3D printing insights and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and happy printing. I'm also adding and specifying a couple of affiliate links in the description. It doesn't charge you anything, but helps grow this channel by providing a little bit of commission on sales at no cost to you. New videos every week, learning, unboxing, testing, failing, fixing, and everything in between.